Today I'm at Shining3D's German headquarters in Stuttgart. Luckily they have invited me to visit them when I met them at the Formnext Expo in Frankfurt. And so Sandeep is going to show me the company, the different areas, the different rooms, also some applications of the scanners and what they are capable of doing in here. Because many people, me as well, may be thinking, okay, when there is a Chinese big company that is into tech and 3D scanning and stuff like this, when they do have a German headquarters, it's just for logistics and shipping and stuff like this, but they also do live application tests with customers. They do have their back office in here, HR, technical support, 24/7 technical support. And so let's just see how it all goes and what to discover.
Yes, let's do.
Okay, let's go. What are you going to see today? At first we will have a walkthrough of the industrial showroom, so where we can see live applications and stuff like this, and we will also do a test with a scanner as well. Then we are going to head to the back office, like HR, technical support, all of this, and they do have a kitchen as well. And we will guide you through the company here in Stuttgart, and I hope you enjoy it as much as I did.
Demos, normally.
Whoa!
And then we have the printers here, the 3D printers, SLA printers.
What are you doing with those SLA printers?
Normally, if the customer comes, we show this, or for ourselves also. For example, we print like here for the robots. There's stuff like this, or small stuff for ourselves.
Like
we
adapters
also,
and stuff like this. Yeah.
So this has very high accuracy. It has 3 modes, 400 meters.
Yeah.
Millimeters, 200 and 100. And 100 meters has 0.005 millimeter accuracy. So
that's quite decent. Yeah.
Yeah. Normally, so if you see here, you see the markers around the scanners, and the tracker knows the position of the markers. So when you move, it recognizes the markers, so you don't have to stick to the object. So for example, you can scan this car like without markers. You can add 2 trackers to 1 scanner and software, and you can also scan the whole project actually. In the upcoming update, we are also upgrading the hardware, so also the scanner. In the beginning of the next year, we will have this. We can add up to 4 trackers, so you just scan the whole thing at once from. And then we have here some scan samples, and here we have some, the board where we show some of our scanners. So here we have normal stuff like SESP showcasing, so it looks a bit nice in the showroom.
It's quite a good showroom to show the use cases of the different scanners.
Yeah.
A lot of people that haven't been in touch with scanners before can't really imagine what the possibilities are. It's still blowing my mind that you can just visit your customer, scan everything that you need, and then you can lay on the beach and do your constructions. If a customer comes to your place and wants to see the application usage and all of this, and wants to see what is your scanner, what are your systems capable of, you can show him the complete process, like on this car, for example, on this car frame, on this raw frame. You can show him, for example, the 3-track scanner.
Yes.
And so I think it would be the best if we just give it a try.
See how it works.
Yeah, definitely.
Okay. Wow. So this, and even if you move like this, you come back, you don't have any tracking loss, you can just start anywhere you want.
May I test it on this?
Yes, of course.
Thank you.
You just press this button, and then you're in the preview mode, so you can see if you're in the range and if the scanner is seeing something.
Afterwards,
press once more, and then it starts scanning.
Okay. What the hell? I did it quite roughly, and it's super fast.
You see, you know, you're using first time, it's easy to use.
It's super easy.
You know.
What the hell is going on?
You can even see the details here. It's not even the mesh, it's only point cloud.
Yeah. Even the adhesive on there.
Yeah.
The sealing, the seals and all of this. Like, a cool use case would be if you want to place another hose or something like this. You can just use the existing clamps, and you want to see where to fit it, or like intercooler piping for a turbocharger and stuff like this.
I mean, you're the more expert in mechanical engineering.
This is like...
But this is, I mean...
This is not just a toy, this is like 3D scanning is a... It's mind-blowing. Or when it comes to prototyping parts and stuff like this. You can visit him, take a scan of the car, then you evaluate how your prototype should look like. Maybe you start with a prototype, ship it to the customer, or go to the customer, test it, and afterwards you can make all of the changes that you need. But this is massive.
You can do a lot with this. If you have ideas, you can do a lot with this.
My mind is constantly like, what to do next, what to do next, what to do next. This is like a man's playground in here. This is like an engineer's heaven.
Yeah.
Like, wow. I'm just constantly thinking about what a hassle it would be to digitalize something like this, or to take measurements.
So here is our industrial team. Here all our application engineers sit there, inside sales, and here is the sales team. So I also sit there.
So if a customer does have a certain application wish, your engineers are working it out?
Yes. So our support team is there. So any support from EMEA region we handle here. We also have, for example, in China, in USA. So it's actually 24/7 because of the time difference. So one of our team is working every hour. So it's actually 24/7 with the support.
So like if a customer has any urgent support cases or stuff like this, you're directly online?
Yes. So our support is actually also very fast. And then we have here the kitchen area. If we go that side, we have our finance team. And here we have our meeting rooms. Normally, so if any scanner from any area comes, we repair here.
You don't have to send it back to the factory to China.
No, it's here.
You can all do it in-house.
Yes, in-house. So support, repair, everything we do here.
Like software issues are
also
done in-house.
Yes.
Technical issues are done in-house.
Yes.
And Hello, my name is Lucas. Nice to meet you too.
Welcome to our office.
Yeah. Thank you.
Then just enjoy the time.
Thank you, I do.
So was a pleasure having you here, and it was very nice, you know, to show you everything. How do you like it?
At first, I would like to thank you as well for inviting me and showing me all of this. And yeah, I'm amazed, to be honest, to see that you really go into the customer's needs and all of this, that you can do real-time application tests and invite customers to come over, that you also do repairs in-house,
yes,
like small repairs or even medium or bigger repairs, that you don't just replace it, so it's also good for the environment. And yeah, I like it, and it's quite comfy in here, and I do also like the plane. I was allowed to take a seat in.
Unlucky we cannot fly it, but
yeah, maybe you can, but one time only.
One time maybe. But
okay.
Yes, it was a pleasure having you.
Thank you for inviting me.
Yeah, you are good in pool or no?
You could try.
Could try, yeah. Nix.
You will be amazed of my bad skills.
I think I will not better than me.